The array method fill allows you to override the given elements in an array. It will never return more elements or less elements in an array. It'll just allow you at a starting point to start saying, I want this value to be here. So let's do an example. So what this is saying right here is that it's going to put the number 0 and it's going to fill it from index starting at 2. So it should be 0, 1, 2, and it should do it up to index 4, but not including. So this means that this 3 and this 4 should be zeros. So it should go 1, 2, 0, 0, 5, 6. Let's test our script. One, 2, 0, 0, 5, 6. All right, now what if we just wanted to do it with just the 0? What would that look like? And we see that the whole thing is filled with 0. What if we wanted just to use the first two arguments, 0, and then tell it where we want it to start? Well, let's come in here and do this. So we want to inject the value 0. And by the way, you could do this with a string. You could do this with objects, whatever else you want to do. And starting at index 1, we want to fill everything with a 0. Well, since we don't give it an area to terminate with, we are going to say with these arguments right here, all this is going to be zeros. So it should be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's try it out. And we see that is in fact right. It goes 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's start it at index 4. And there we go. We preserve everything up to the index 4, and after that we get zeros. This is fill. Well, I'm not Phil, but this is the array method fill. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.